What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode of Twins Television, the YouTube channel, where you can see how a Lambo is built. We will definitely show you. As you're aware, the Lambo's crankshaft seal is broken. We'll keep dismantling it to replace the seal, which is quite an undertaking. Unfortunately, we didn't do that before we put the car back together. But don't worry, we've got awesome content, and we've got some major upgrades in mind that we're going to do when we put the car back together. Let's check it out. I'm excited. The Lambo is coming apart, but it'll only improve. Let's go. You guys are probably wondering why I'm working here at the front. So, all the work has to be done at the back, but now Mo is here, so of course I'm taking advantage of the situation because he's going to partially wrap the front in black, which is really awesome. We have a really cool design in mind, and it just so happens that he's really good at that. You guys are going to see it. Music. You see at the exhaust pot, the back is completely taken apart over there. Next, remove the air filter housing. Be careful, only remove the catalytic converters. We're almost ready to remove the gearbox, making us nearly Lambo experts. Take a look. Wow, this is looking really awesome. Yeah, this is definitely next level. Enough talk, everyone. It's time to get back to work. We have a lot to do, and we know how to locate every building. That's just crushing it. Let's go! As you can see, a pretty big gap has formed. We're really going at it. I think we have about an hour of work left and then the gearbox can come out. Let's hurry to the front. Mo just left.
But wow, he really did a phenomenal job with it.
Check out the front for a second. Brutal, right? Unbelievable. This is exactly what we had in mind. Let's say he had a piece of foil with him and quickly did this for us, though he originally only came for the twin signs. Really? It turned out really awesome too. The whole studio workshop has changed because of his lettering. Really awesome. Alright, let's go back to the rear. We still have about an hour of work left on the buckler. So, enough talk. I'm excited for this. I hope our diagnosis is right, since we haven't spotted any oil leaks from up here so far. So it pretty much can't be anything else. But I'm excited. Let's go. We have to get all of this done in this episode. The engine hoist is ready for the big moment. We're finally going to detach the transmission from the engine now. If all went well, we've loosened all the bolts and nuts. So yeah, I'd say legs down. Chains around it and start hoisting. Let's go. Music. As we just saw in the footage, with the engine hoist, the disassembly gearbox went super smoothly. Do you still remember how it went last time? Everything was done by hand, lifted, struggled, hurt his back with a jack, everything and more.
With an engine hoist, it's really simple, guys. No effort needed.
But now we're getting to the clutch assembly. We can already see a bit of what's going on. We'll take it apart for a moment to be sure. You'll see that soon. I have good and bad news. The good news is that we managed to disassemble the gearbox in this episode. It was really tough work. And the bad news is that unfortunately we can't get one of the flywheel bolts loose. That's number 5. Unfortunately, they're special star sockets. It's not a Torx but something special. We have the right socket here. But unfortunately, it's completely rounded off and it slips over it. We can't loosen it due to that, so we need another solution. However, our time is up, so it's not possible now. I'm incredibly happy that everything turned out well again, with no sign of a fire anywhere. The episode was somewhat chaotic as Mo from Science NL visited to install our new twins television lettering on the wall. Mo also wrapped the front of the tractor, which turned out really awesome. Give a thumbs up if you think so too. And appreciate the effort we've put into the tractor. Don't forget to follow on twins.tv_ for exclusive content not found on YouTube. We've also announced the winners of our last giveaway. Don't forget to buy our merchandise below, because that's the best way to support us, of course. You'll see it again next Friday with a new episode. I'm really looking forward to it, and maybe the Lambo will be driving. Stay tuned. See you next Friday. See you then.